In this video, I will be explaining you about the if formula in Excel. So let us begin with the video. As you can see, my first example where I have given you some date, I have given you some sales. I would like to find out the condition is that if it is January, if the month is January and if the sales is more than 1000 rupees. So if the condition is satisfied, then it should come there true. So that time we use this formula of yours called as AND formula. So let us see how can we use this formula. First of all, you will have to keep your cell pointer on E9. This is where I want my formula to be appearing. The formula you use is like this: equal to and you press the tab key. When you press the tab key, you get this bracket open. Excel has given you a formula called as month, so you just use that option month and again bracket open. C9 is your date. If the date is January, if you want any other month, like for example if you want February, you have to write 2. If you want March, you write 3. So I want January. If it is January, then comma, then D9, that is your sales, is greater than 1000 rupees. So if the condition, both the condition is satisfied, that is if it is month is January and if the sales is more than 1000 rupees, then only you will get an option you call as true, otherwise it will come as false. So now if I press enter, as you can see that this date is 1st January, the sales is more than 1000 rupees, so that's why I'm getting this true option here. So when I drag this down below here for the rest, I should get for the others. See, you're getting false over here because this is not January, this is February. So wherever, see again here, this is January, but the condition is not satisfying. So this is the use of this option of yours called as AND formula. So let us see our next example where it says that this is my commission table where I've given you some salespersons names. Sales amount is given over here. I would like to calculate the commission over here. The condition is that if the sales amount is more than 1000 rupees, then 2% commission should be given. Otherwise, work hard. I should print. So the formula you'll use is like this. You say if your B3, that is your sales amount, is more than 1 lakh. So you say greater equal to 1 lakh. Why I'm writing that equal to? Because I want that 1 lakh also to be added. If I don't use this equal to sign, it will add only up to 999. So that's why we have to write this equal to sign, because I want that 1 lakh also to be counted, to be included. Then you say comma, then again click on your B3. If it is more than 1 lakh, then your sales amount, it should multiply, that is a star stands for multiplication, multiply with 2%. Otherwise, I want that to be printed work hard. So comma, double quotes. Double quote is for printing. So anything you want to print by using your if statement, you have to use this double quotes and close the brackets. So when you close the brackets over here, so when you press enter, I should get the answer here. See, it is more than 1 lakh, so 2% commission is there. I'm getting this currency sign because when you click on your home tab, I have set it here as it's already in currency or accounting. See, all these are different styles over here. If I click on currency, I'll get this dollar sign here. So if I click on accounts, you can see all this different. This is the icon for currency style. So if you want it in, all these options are there. More if you click, you'll get accounting. More accounting styles you'll get over here. See, so all these icons are there here. Okay. So for timing, I just want to remove that dollar sign. Actually, I'll just click on general. I want a comma style, so I'll click on this comma style. So get that comma also. Okay. So now if you drag it down, I should get it for the others. See. So here you can see that it is more than 1 lakh. So that's why you're getting 2% commission. Here it is not 1 lakh. So here also not more than 1 lakh. So that's why it says work hard. So this is the example about this if statement of this example what we just now did. So let us see our next example, which is my if and actually. If and is nothing but if any of your product, like I have got three products here, seat covers, LED lamps, alloy wheels. If all your all these products should be more than 50,000, then only he gets 2% commission. Not like this example where I have just said that if it is 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh, then he gets 2%. Now here what is the condition says is if any of all your products, not any one, all, like seat covers, LED lamps, alloy wheels, all these three products of yours should be more than 50,000. Then only he gets 2% commission. Otherwise work hard will come. So first I have to calculate my total sales here. So I'll just keep my sell pointer here. You can use a formula like this, equal to sum tab, select this entire range, that is from B3 to D3, close the brackets, enter. So that should give you this answer. Or you can use your shortcut key, just keep your cell pointer on E3 and press Alt and equal to from your keyboard, enter. So that should give you your total. And now you just double click on this corner, this is called as a fill handle, just double click, I should get the total. So I got the total sales now. So now I have to calculate the commission. As the condition says that we have to use your if and statement over here, because all three products should be more than 50,000, then he gets 2% commission, otherwise work hard. So we will say if and if your seat cover is more than equal to 50,000, comma, then LED lamp, that is C3, this also should be more than equal to 50,000, comma, and alloy wheels, this also should be more than equal to 50,000. When you close the brackets here, then it should multiply it with your total sales. So click on your total sales, that is E3 multiplied with 2%, otherwise I should print the work hard. So that's why I'm giving in inverted quotes, work hard, and then you close the brackets here. And now when you press enter, as you can see that one of the product, that is alloy wheels, is not more than 50,000. So you can see this is more than 50,000. Seat covers, LED also is more than not more than 50,000. So you know these two products are not more than 50,000. So as you can see here, this also is not. So if I just double click, see here it is fulfilling my condition. All the products are more than 50,000. So that's why you get 2% commission here. So you can see the difference when you use if and all my products should be more than 50,000, then only it gets this 2% commission, otherwise work hard will come. So this is the example of if and how you use it. Next example I'm going to use is your if and or statement. Now what is the difference between if and if and or? If and means what happens is all your products should be more than 50,000, then only he gets 2% commission. If and or is nothing but if any one of the product also, if he gets more than 50,000, he will get that 2%. Otherwise, all the products are less than 50,000, he will get work hard over there. So first I'll calculate my total sales. Keep your cell point on E3. You can use a shortcut Alt equal to enter on your keyboard. Just double click here on the fill handle. Should get all my total sales. So now I'll use the condition, that is my if and or you'll use over here, if and or tab. Now each product, that is seat cover, this should be more than 50,000, comma, then LED lamp, this also should be more than equal to 50,000, comma, then alloy wheels, this also should be more than equal to 50,000, then close the brackets, comma, then E3, that is your total sales, multiplied with 2%, otherwise you should get the work hard. So that's why I'm just giving double quotes ke andar. I'm just writing work hard in double quotes, close the brackets, and then you press enter. So that should give you the amount here, 2% discount, 2% commission. See, now in this case, these both are not fulfilling the condition, but still one condition, if it is more than 50,000, he gets that 2% commission. So if I drag it down, as you can see over here, all my products are less than 50,000. So if if I make this 50,000 or more than that, you should get that condition. See, now it is changed. I'll just press Ctrl Z, can't do. So this is the use of if and or statement, how you can use it. So let us see a last example in this video, that is if nested formula it is called as. Now basically nested if formula is, it is also called as multiple if statement. So I have given you some names of students here. These are the marks of some subjects. Marks is given over here. First of all, I will calculate the total. Again, I will use my shortcut alt equal to. So I get the total here of all these nails. Total is come here 596. Just double click. Should get for the others also. Percentage. I have got 7 subjects here. So I'll say equal to. Click on your total. Divide. The slash stands for division. Front slash. Divided by 7 because 7 subjects are there. Enter. So this is the percentage of NIA. So if I double click here, I should get the percentage for all also. Now before I show you that nested if formula, I'll just show you the basic if formula, how can we use it actually. If I tell you that if any of your student has got less than 70, that student is failed. If it is more than 70, that student is passed. So I will use my if formula here, equal to if, then press your tab key, equal to if, then tab key, percentage, that is J3. If your J3 is less, this stands for less sign. If it is less than 70, this is the condition that I am saying, less than 70, comma, and double quotes, you write fail, otherwise that student should be passed. So this is the basic if formula that we can use it. Enter. So as you can see that it is more than 70, this percentage, so is getting passed here. So when you drag it down, you get only pass, fail, see, fail because it is less than 70. So wherever fail is there, it is less than 70, and where you see pass in more than 70 means you get pass. But if I tell you that I want to use with the help of nested if statement, that is called as multiple if statement, it is called as. In this case, I am just using one condition, that is if it is less than 70 means it will come fail, otherwise it will come pass. If you want to use something like this, multiple, this condition is given over here. If it is more than, percentage is more than 85, then it should come excellent. 70 is distinction, 60 is first class, more than 50 we get second class. If it is less than 50 is fail. So for that case, I have to use my nested if formula, or you can also call as your multiple if statement. So you use if again, if your percentage, that is J3, is greater equal to 85. So if it is more than 85, then comma, double quotes, then you just write down there excellent. So this is my first statement. Close the double quotes. Then you give a comma again here. If continue your statement, if again you click your J3. If J3 is greater equal to the next statement, what it says 70. So you write 70 here, comma, then double quotes. The next statement is distinction. So just write down there distinction. If it is more than 70, so it will come under this distinction. Then the third statement, if J3 is greater equal to, my next statement is 60. So you write 60 here, comma, double quotes, and just write down your first class. So when you write down your first class, that is the next statement, then comma, again you write if, then again J3, if it is greater equal to, next statement is 50, so you write 50 here, double quotes, you write down your second class. And now this is my last statement. If it is less than 50, it should come fail. So you just write comma. Whenever you write the last statement for your multiple if statement or nested if statement, whenever you write the last statement, you don't have to write if over there. Just write down the condition, that is fail. If it is less than 50, it will come as fail. And how many times if I use this? See, there is one if here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times You have to close it at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many times if you have used, that much time you will have to close it. So when you press enter, I should get here excellent because it is more than 85. If I'm saying it is more than 85, it will come excellent. If it's getting cut like this, just double click over here on this line here, double click to adjust the margin. So now if you double click here at the corner, that is this fill handle, I should get for the others also. So this is how you can use this formula called as if nested formula. So I hope you have understood this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.